Okay, hey, this is Kurt Frankenberg, vlogging at you live from Palmer Lake, Colorado, and we're going to take a look at the newest and most exciting feature on RadioactiveTrading.com. I think you're going to like it. Let's take a look at the Trade Simulator tool on the Resources tab. Here on the Resources tab, we've always offered the best free content to help traders realize their full potential. On the top, of course, as always, is my offer to get 2 free weeks of power options. And if you decide after that to subscribe, they'll give you another 2 weeks for free. But below that, and really exciting, this is the Trade Simulator tool. Let's go to that page. We'll just click here, and that page will load up. And what we're going to be looking at is the effect of money management on your trades. Now, it's no secret that you can actually lose money even if you're right more often than you're wrong. Okay, let's say you have 4 great trades that make you 10%. Then you have one loss that loses you 50%. Well, you're behind, even though you're right 80% of the time. Well, let's take a look at this Trade Simulator tool. I'm going to demonstrate that it's actually possible to be wrong more often than you're right and to still make money and to do very well. We're going to plug in some values here. I'm just going to use the default settings for now. 10% target return, 10% loss limit, a coin flip for the probability of a loss, and a starting amount of $10,000. Now you can plug whatever values you want to in here, including commissions. Let's just say $7 for stock and $9.95 for options, like what they charge at my broker. Okay? Let's also assume a round trip. I might do as many as 3 options trades, so a total round trip commission would end up being $43.85. Now, below, let's plug this button here, and below we're going to see the results of a trading record of 100 trades. Okay? We've got wins, strings of losers, just like with any trading record. Over here we have the summary: 50% wins, 50% losses. We took our $10,000 up to a high point of $10,956, and we ended up, well, not doing very well. Well, I've got an idea, okay? Let's run this simulator again, and it's random every time what the results are going to be. Okay, here we went bankrupt. Here another time, oh, looky there, we had more winners than losers. So I've got an idea. Let's just be right more often than we're wrong. Well, I don't know if that always pans out, okay? But here's what it would be if we did. We'd have these strings of winners and losers, same as before. And with 55 wins and 45 losses in that trading record, we'd start out with $10,000, rolled up to a high value of $28,183, but a low value of $8,017. Okay, so we've got a drawdown of 20% over here and an ending amount of $12,406. Okay, $12,406. Well, that's a 24% return, so I'm pretty excited about that. But then again, that's 100 trades that you've got to do. Now, I've got this crazy idea. Let's leave everything the same, including the probability of a loss. Except, let's go a little more modest on our win target, shall we? A little more modest. And we're also going to go with our loss limit. We're going to go lower too. Now, that might look ridiculous, 4.1% losses. But guess what? This is my trading record. I've had an average return on my winners of 8%, average loss on my losers of 4.1, and I've been able to show folks how to do this, how to keep your losses under 6%, okay, on a very regular basis. Now let's just come down and see what happens with this kind of trading record. Now here we've got the flip side. Instead of 55% winners, we've got 55% losers. We took $10,000, rolled it up to $25,000. Along the way, we experienced a drawdown, but that drawdown was only about 10%, not 20%. Okay, and our ending amount, we more than doubled our money. Isn't that interesting? We did better with a more modest return target and with a terrible trading record. Isn't that something? The only thing that can explain this is that when we keep our losses down into single digits, we're encountering what I call the holy grail of trading. Being able to lose nickels and win dimes. That's the secret to trading, no matter what style or what market you are working with. Okay? I'm going to invite you to come on RadioactiveTrading.com and check out this thing for yourself. It's RadioactiveTrading.com, the Resources tab. This is Kurt Frankenberg. I'll see you out there. Happy trading.